I am wondering about your parents allowing you to walk around India alone since at this time you were underage. They did not allow, I just did. What are you talking? Who asked for permission and all? I will not even inform them, I will run away. Usually I will run away. When I come back, they are happy that I am there spending few days. Once like this, somewhere I went and I came around 1 o'clock in the night. I used to have one key with myself, the house key. There was two doors. One door is the main door, which will be having this size key. The village houses, if you see, huge teakwood door. And there will be another one, small door, modern door, small key. That small key I will always have, and that I will go use that door. One day she asked me, my mother asked, where did you go so late? I said, what, new habit? Asking about my timing and all. Then, the moment my father heard this and he got shaken and said, you know, why are you asking him all these questions? I said, if you don't ask all these things, some more days I can be here. If you ask all these things, that will not be there, that's all. Then, that is the first and last time they asked me. And I used to be like a ghost, ma. No one can stand in front of me or talk, or they can at the most ask for blessing and advice, that's all. Anything else I will stare at them. I will give such a staring, they will have energization. They will have immediately energization, shivering. This program has been simply amazing. I feel reborn. While I feel a sense of calm and confidence of getting back to job and regular life, I am not sure about how I will react to the same old laziness, craziness. Any thoughts, tips on the changes to expect? Today, this is what we are going to do. Today, intense drilling and bolting. Next 3 days, complete unclutching only. Ananda Samadhi process. Means, whatever has happened, bolting it and awakening it more strongly. More deeper churnings and muscle memory. People think if they just buy meat in supermarket are not involved in killing. Even if you buy in the market, you are involved in killing indirectly. Please understand, in Tamil there is a proverb, Kondra Bhavamum Tindravanukke. Means the sin of killing goes to the fellow who eats, not to the guy who kills. He kills as a profession. Because you eat, he kills. So, Kondravavamum Tindravanukke. 2-3 things I am very fanatic. This vegetarianism and cutting trees. Trees should not be cut. These 2-3 things I am very fanatic. Arise, awake, stop not till the goal is reached. Swami Chinmayananda, set yourself an impossible goal in life such that the journey becomes the goal. Can how to be the karma yogi and set goals in life? Paramahamsa Nityananda, don't have any goals. Help a brother out here. 2 masters talk about goal setting, but you advise the opposite. Can you help clear the confusion, please? If you ask Vivekananda, please explain, arise, awake, stop not till the goal is reached. What advice you would have given? And by saying, set yourself an impossible goal in life such that the journey becomes the goal. What Chinmayananda means? He again means don't set a goal and live intensely. He means let the life become goal. See, when I say don't set a goal, I am not saying become lazy. Live intensely so that your goals are continuously updated. Intensely when you live, you see, earlier I had the goal 10,000 people will be meditating, levitating for 2012. Just because people all asked something to be told. I said, now I know 20,000 people will be sitting and levitating. I will go on be working, that's all. That 2012, if 20,000 people sit or not, I won't bother at all. And I won't even remember. That is the funny thing. You understand? So the work, let it become that intense, so that the goal is not even remembered. I like to know your birth star. Chitra Nakshatram. my birthday is a big subject. What can I do? In the Indian villages and all, they will take it to schools and they will tell you yourself put some date, that's all. See, how many of Indians here that your date of birth is wrong in the certificate? See, practically 90%. No, really, that's our lifestyle. See, I am like a bhuta ghost. They want to somehow dump me in the school. So my grandfather built that school. So he took me to the headmaster. Headmaster, he comes to the house regularly. He knows, no, I cannot keep him. Grandfather said, no, you have to keep him in the school. Because he only built some portion. And the further portions he has to decide now whether to build or not. So the grandfather and the headmaster has no other go. Then headmaster somehow intelligently come up with a reason. No, he's underage. My father said, you put whatever date you want. And you will be surprised. Usually they delay the age. Mine they increased. They put 77. And I am born only in 78. And another one funny thing. When I took birth also, they record only nakshatra and tithi. They did not record the date of birth. Date. Then my mother's memory. I have to depend on my mother's memory only. My mother says, January 1st, we all went to the temple for darshan. And evening my grandfather brought the prasadam and she ate and she had immediately she felt she is going to deliver. She was taken to the nearby village center. You can't call that as hospital. There is an hospital also in Tirunelveli. Now it has become a big hospital. But in those days it was not like a hospital, like a initial care center. So they took her there and I was born and they brought the baby and mother back home next day morning. That's all. So only astrologers, I just noted, that fellow has noted the nakshatra and tithi and all that, and that fool did not note down the English date, time and everything. And it's a small slip. You guys know that it will be folded and kept somewhere with a yellow turmeric powder. And when you open it, almost it will be pieces. So that is the way we found. What can we do? This much only information we have. Based on my mother's memory, we celebrate the birthday. So what is the difference between Rudraksha and sandalwood mala? It is just energizing, nothing else. Different kind of batteries. But only if you energize it, both are powerful. Otherwise not. If I drink a glass of champagne, New Year's evening, even then healing will be a problem. Okay? There is no time or a date. If you drink champagne, healing will be a problem. You will be spending 1 week after LB in Tirunelveli. Stay in our ashram, go around the hill every day at least once. That's enough. Stay inside, don't talk for the whole 1 week, be in silence. And walk only facing 4 steps. Looking 4 feet. Don't look up. Walk only looking 4 feet. Means with the head down. Walk in silence. Walk like that and go around the hill at least once a day. It will take maybe 5 hours a day.